Actually, put it on YouTube. This nigga is swimming in filth. I'm about to record it. I mean, he coming back now. I didn't step on another way.
I can't see him with my camera.
Me either.
Not even close. I can't even see his specs.
Okay, I got it.
Well,
He bet I had to zoom in.
I can't get my shit this time.
You can only see a little spot though, because you got the weight.
Well, I'm staying here. My camera gonna know it's a motherfucker.
He probably, oh, I'm a celebrity.
That's insane.
And you got all the
What he do? Yo, he got Is he doing the backstroke?
Yeah.
That nigga not doing the backstroke, youngin.
He's gonna go to the car. Go to the car. Stand on the car. It's a car in here.
You got it. It's a car. What? Y'all live right here? How long it take for it to drain usually? All day long? Oh, they'll come in. Shit, almost.
Y'all just told him to swim to the car. He said, he also told him to swim to the car. Right there. You see the car, right?
The car on this side or that side?
The car is coming this way.
I mean, it's closer to us or the other side of it?
That's that way. He gotta go take a shower. He's still gonna be out here. He said he's gonna do more. He was just on his boogie board going down the hill. And
I don't think he knows a car there. He definitely would have stood up.
No, he saw the car.
He didn't stand on it or nothing?
Don't stand on it. Yes, get out the water. What did he say? He went to school, say don't step on no glass. Well, shit, you should. He wasn't about stepping on glass. After going in there, he took a shoes off.
I know, but he wasn't about stepping on some glass man.
Look at you, smart.
That's crazy.
What you doing, man?
Brigham went swimming. That's my light shot.
No worries.
It's a car in there. What?
He was going back. Oh my God.
He had all the food. Ashley, you got this on YouTube, Ashley? Somebody got to put this on YouTube, yo. I know.
Basically, gonna be all you gonna be scratching.
Yeah, you had a motherfucking ringworm.
Yeah. You already got it. You can all that.
Your hair falling out.
Hey, Brendan, you gotta go take a shower, man.
Yes, you gotta take it. It's a setback. You don't know what's in that water, yo. Probably got everything, yo.
Probably chemicals in that building.
Yeah, chemicals, all types of stuff.
Old ass paint, shit, rust, fucking asbestos.
You got asbestos.
Fucking oil, cars.
Interview him, y'all. That's what you do. Interview him.
I will tear your ass up.
Wow. He getting the interview.
They don't give two shit. Well, I hope guys can get a hold of you. Give them a fucking visit. This is fucking Halloween.
He was like, he do nothing more. Are you okay, Brandon? Are you going through anything?
Did you swallow any of that shit? You done swallow that?
Yeah. You hurt the knee right now?
At least. Clap, 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 clap.
Go to the store, get you like a hot chocolate.
That was nice.
Good Samaritan over there.
We got you on YouTube, Facebook, everything.
And it's a car down there.